Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. We're here to talk about underwear. Underwear is fun to wear. So these are a super cute pack of underwear that we have here. They are the women's underwear. It's got colors and polka dot variety. So these are like the bikini style undies. I really like them. I think that they are really durable and nice. I like that it comes in a variety of colors. It has a little like secure area at the top that is like double braided, and then along the lining as well. I think it's great that it comes in these super cute polka dot looking ones. They're so cute, and they are really soft and really nice, and they get the job done. What more could you ask for? What else do you want in underwear, right? They're cute, and they're functional, so that's great. So I definitely recommend these, and that is my point of view.